Hey guys, Theo here, and I hope you're having a spicy day. And thanks for joining me in my kitchen. Everyone loves eating Chinese takeout, but it's so bad for you. It's full of sodium and sugar, and it's deep fried. So I'm gonna show you how to make some delicious sweet and sour chicken right at home. You won't have all that fat and sodium, and you won't be guilty by getting a second bite. Let's get started.
In a bowl, add your brown sugar, ketchup, lemon juice, soy sauce, chopped garlic and minced ginger. Then season with black pepper and mix until everything is nice and smooth. In another bowl, chop your chicken into 1-inch cubes. Then add your cornstarch, season with salt and pepper, and toss until everything is thoroughly coated. In a saucepan over medium-high heat, brown your chicken on all sides. Once everything is nice and cooked, you want to add your onion. Sauté for a few minutes or until the onion is nice and softened. Lastly, add your sauce. Cook your sauce until it becomes a consistency of a thick syrup.
Alright guys, after you've cooked this down so the sauce is nice and syrupy, you're all set. You want to sprinkle with a little bit of green onions and let's taste it. It's the perfect balance of sweet and salty, and then the chicken is nice and juicy. If you like this recipe, it'll be found at the blog post below. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment to this video. And as always, keep it spicy.